Now we're going to do a little more factoring by grouping. So using this example, I have y cubed plus 3y squared plus 4y plus 12. So what I'm going to do is group the first terms and the last terms. So I'll take y cubed plus 3y squared plus, and then I have 4y plus 12. Now, some may have letters in common, and the others might have numbers in common, just like these. So first, right here, no numbers in common, but the variables, they do. So I have a cube and a square. I pull out the square. Now, to get a square to a cube, I'll need one more. Bring down the sign. Now, I do have a square to go with that 3y squared, but I don't have the 3. So I need the 3 to be multiplied. Then plus 4 and 12, remember, your number will be never bigger than the smallest number in the list, or the smallest number in the problem. So we have 4. So does 4 go into 4? Yes. Does it also go into 12? Yes. So your factor is 4. Now they don't have a y in common, so I just write it down. 4 times y is 4y. Bring down the plus sign. And then 4 times what gives you 12? 3. Notice you have y squared times y plus 3 plus 4 times y plus 3. They have a y plus 3 in common. So I'm going to factor this out. So I have y plus 3, pull it out, and then I'm left with y squared plus 4. So all you do is take out the common, and then I'm left with y squared plus 4, my leftovers. And that's how you factor by grouping on that part. So now let's try a different one. So I want to group the first term and the second term together, but they have nothing in common. So what I'm going to do is rearrange them. I can rewrite them. So I'm saying, I'm going to move this one over here. So I'll say 4x cubed plus 20x squared. And then I have a minus 3x. I'm going to move that 15 over there. Minus 15. So I'm going to group those. You know what? I'm going to put a little plus sign in between because I don't want to mess up the signs on them. Plus. And then I have my negative 3x minus 15. There we go. So now I'm going to pull out things they have in common. 4 is definitely in 20. So we already know. 4. Do we have anything else? Yes, we do. We have an x in common. So then 4x. But how many x's? The smallest one, squared. So this right here, I just need an x cubed, or another x. So x. And to that, bring down the sign. 4 times what gives you 20? 5. Now x squared, don't need anything else there. Now plus, but now notice these two are negative. I want to pull out a negative. I want to make it neat. No negatives on the inside. So I bring out a minus. So what do these two have in common? 3. Does it go into 15? Yes, it does. So I pull out that 3. So there's no common variable, so I leave the x. Because negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And then I need another negative on the inside. So negative times positive gives you negative. And 3 times what gives you 15? 5. Oh, look at that. Another one in common. X plus 5, x plus 5. Let's pull it out. Now your leftovers go in here. So I have x, or 4x squared minus 3. So first write down what they have in common. And then the leftovers go in the second one. 4x squared minus 3 with the sign. And we just factor by grouping.